So mass m is given as 500 grams, which is 0.5 kg. Okay, and the body is initially at rest. It is given like that. So u is equals to 0. It has moved 4 meter in 2 seconds. So I have written t to be 2 seconds, s to be 4 meter. So we can use this as our equation because we don't have v, and if we don't have v also, a also, so we cannot use the other expression, but we can use this expression. So s is equals to ut plus half at square, where u is 0, yes, s is 4 meter and t is 2 seconds. So if you substitute the values and calculate, you will get a to be equals to 2 meter per second square. Clear? After that, f is equals to ma, where m is given as 0.5 kg, that you multiply with the value for acceleration, you will get 1 Newton. Clear? Going to question number 13. A car of mass 480 kg moving at a speed of 54 km per hour is stopped. That means final velocity is 0, initial velocity is 54 km per hour, and it is stopped by applying brakes in 10 seconds. Clear? So mass is given as 480 kg and speed you have to convert it to meter per second, and then it is stopped. So v is equals to 0. Applying brakes, by applying brakes in 10 seconds, time is 10 seconds. Calculate the force applied by the brakes. Clear? So m is taken as 480 kg. U, after you can see here, we have to multiply 5 by 18 to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second. Okay, meter per second. Just a sec. Meter per second. Okay. After that, we'll just find out, put the values as it is stopped by applying brakes. So v is equals to 0. T is 10 seconds. Put the values in a is equals to v minus u by t formula. V will be 0, u is 15, you will get t is 10, and after calculation you will get your answer to be minus 1.5 meter per second square. Clear? So what will be my force? Force will be equals to ma, because at the end we have to find out which force is applied. Yes, calculate the force applied by the brakes. So force is equals to m into a. Because it is force applied by the brakes, so force will be negative as it is a retarding force. Just substitute the value for m and a. Calculate and you will find the answer to be 720 Newton. Actually force is 720 Newton, but it is negative, showing that it is a retardation force or a retarding force. Next is question number 14. A car is moving with a uniform velocity of 30 meter per second. That means that is my u. It is stopped. That means v is 0 in 2 seconds, that is t is equals to 2 seconds, by applying a force of 1500 Newton, that is my force, through its brakes. Calculate the change in momentum of car, the retardation produced in the car, and the mass of the car. Okay, so change in momentum, right, we have to find out. Now we know that f is equals to m into v minus u by t, because f is equals to ma. What is a? V minus u by t. Yes, f is equals to m into a, and a is what? V minus u by t. Clear? Now if we take t to the other side, you will be left with m into v minus u. What is m into v minus u? It is change in momentum. Yes, m into v minus u is m into delta v. M delta v is mv minus mu, which is m into v minus u. Yes, so that is equals to force into time. So force is given as 1500, time is given as 2 seconds. So we'll multiply and you'll get your change in momentum to be 3000 kg meter per second. Clear? Next we have to find out the retardation produced in the car. So using this formula, v is equals to u plus at, where a is the retardation. So a is equals to v minus u by t. V is what? V is my 0, u is 30. So 0 minus 30. Okay. T is given as 2 seconds. So t you write 2 seconds. After that you will get, as it is retardation, so you will get a negative acceleration, minus 15 meter per second square, or retardation equals to 15 meter per second square. Clear? Next is we have to find out the mass of the car. Okay, so if F is equals to ma, m will be equals to F by a. Force value we know it is given, a value we found it out, so you just substitute and then calculate, you will get it to be 100 kg. M is equals to F by a. From the formula, F is equals to ma, it is rearranged and this is the answer, 100 kg. Last question is, a bullet of mass 50 gram is moving with an initial velocity of 100 meter per second. Okay, it is this much mass and this is the initial velocity. It strikes a wooden block and comes to rest. That means final velocity will be 0. But before coming to rest, because it is a bullet, it has traveled a distance of 2 centimeter by penetrating inside the wood. Okay, so what is my initial momentum of the bullet and final momentum of the bullet? Retardation caused by the wooden block and resistive force exerted by the wooden block, because it stopped the motion of the bullet. That's why it is the resistive force of the wooden block. Clear? Let's do this. How we will find out initial momentum? Yes, so you can see here mass is given as 50 gram and it is converted to 0.05 kg. Initial velocity the bullet was moving with is 100 meter per second. Distance traveled is 2 centimeter. You have to convert it to meter and final velocity is 0. So initial momentum is m into u, because momentum formula is mv. So initial momentum is mu, m into u. So the answer is 5 kg meter per second. Final momentum m into v. Finally it came to rest. So answer will be 0. Retardation caused, we know that v square equals to u square plus twice as. Yes, but since it is retardation, I have put minus. This way also you can do. Okay, your a will be negative. If your a is not negative, you will get a negative answer instead. Okay, so here I have directly put acceleration to, retardation to be equals to this. So retardation is equals to, now this one I'll bring it this side, this one I'll bring it this side. So u square minus v square divided by twice s. Okay, where u is 100, so u square will be 100 square, v is 0, so 0 square twice into s, that is s is the penetration, 0.02. 0.02. Clear? Which can be written as 2 by 100. This 100 square will become 10,000. Now this 100, it is denominator, so it will move up. Clear? Then you can cancel it. 2 50s are 100 and 2 25s are 50. So 25 into 10 to the power 4 or 2.5 into 10 to the power 5 meter per second square is my value for retardation. Clear? Then what is my force? Force is equals to ma. So retardation force is ma, m into a. What is the value for m we have got in the given? 0.05 into, just now we have found out retardation, 2.5 into 10 to the power 5. So 5 we can write it, 0.05 can be written as 5 by 100 into 25 by 100, 2.5, and this one 5 number of 0, easily calculate. Cancel all the zeros and then multiply and write the answer. Clear? This is my resistive force.